Today, I'll give you a deep dive into the Alvexo brokerage platform, exploring all the key features, services, and costs associated with it. Alvexo is a financial trading platform that offers a range of trading opportunities, from Forex and stocks to CFDs. What sets it apart is its powerful tools and real-time market insights, making it easier for traders to make informed decisions. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, this platform provides flexibility, reliability, and access to markets worldwide. One of Alvexo's standout features is its intuitive interface, which makes it easy for even inexperienced traders to get started. With a variety of account types, from the beginner-friendly Classic to the Advanced Prime, Alvexo offers something for everyone. However, it's important to mention that while the platform provides comprehensive market data and analysis tools, the cost of maintaining certain account types can be higher than competitors, especially for advanced users. Still, for many, the robust service and user experience justify the price. Now, are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Back to Alvexo. It's also worth mentioning that the platform provides extensive educational resources, including webinars, ebooks, and personal trading academies, so traders of all levels can continue to learn and improve their strategies. However, customer service, while helpful, can sometimes be slow to respond during peak hours. In terms of fees, Alvexo operates on a spread system, and depending on the type of account you choose, the spreads can vary significantly. The Classic account has relatively wider spreads, while higher-tier accounts like Prime offer tighter spreads, but require a higher minimum deposit. There are no commission fees for trading on Alvexo, but be aware that there may be some overnight fees if you hold positions overnight. Alvexo's mobile app also deserves a mention. It's sleek, fast, and packed with the same functionalities as the desktop version, allowing you to trade on the go without missing out on market opportunities. Overall, Alvexo offers an excellent suite of tools for serious traders, but beginners may want to start with smaller trades to get comfortable with the costs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like.